Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make taffy grapes. First, let's gather our essential ingredients and tools. You'll need about 2 pounds of fresh grapes, 1 cup of light corn syrup, and 2 cups of granulated sugar. Don't forget your favorite food coloring and flavor extracts to customize your treats. A candy thermometer is crucial for achieving the perfect taffy consistency, so have that ready too. This preparation ensures a smooth cooking process. Now let's create the delicious taffy base. In a heavy-bottomed saucepan, combine 2 cups of granulated sugar, 1 cup of light corn syrup, and 1/4 cup of water. Stir these ingredients together over medium heat until the sugar dissolves. Insert your candy thermometer and continue cooking without stirring until the mixture reaches exactly 300 degrees Fahrenheit, which is the hard crack stage. This precise temperature is key for the taffy's texture. With your taffy mixture ready, it's time for the fun part, coating the grapes. Carefully dip each individual grape into the hot taffy, ensuring it's fully covered. Work quickly but cautiously, as the taffy will be very hot. Once coated, place each grape onto a sheet of parchment paper or a silicone mat. Let them sit undisturbed for at least 15 to 20 minutes, allowing the taffy to cool and harden completely. Patience here ensures a perfect crunch. Your homemade taffy grapes are now ready to be enjoyed. For the best experience, serve them immediately after they've fully cooled and hardened. The crisp grape inside and the sweet, crunchy taffy coating create a delightful contrast. If you happen to have any leftovers, store them in an airtight container at room temperature for up to 2 days. These treats are perfect for parties or just a special snack. Enjoy your delicious creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.